Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm cleaning out my outdoor wood boiler. I have a central boiler, what was it? E-Classic 1450. Had it about 5 years now. I neglect it every year. I don't do what I'm supposed to and clean it at the end of the season. Everything's all gummed up inside. But I'm not making this video to show the regular cleaning. I'm showing all the stuff inside when it gets all gummed up. How to get it out, because I've struggled with it a few years. If you've got one of these, you might be doing the same thing. Just want to share some little things that I figured out to do. Hopefully it helps you out. If you have one of these, you're probably pretty resourceful anyway, so I'll spare you a lot of the little details, but I'll bring you inside and show you what I've been doing. All right, so looking inside here, you can see on both the sides there, you have those air channels all the way in the back where this hole and this hole is. Air comes around, and a lot of the time your bottom holes back here may get plugged up. You take these little side covers off. It has all the little studs with the nuts. You know, if you're fairly resourceful, it's not going to be a challenge for you. Coming around to the front, same thing happens up here. The bottom holes, sometimes this gets plugged up. Same thing on the other side down here. So what I do is if it's gummed up solid, I'll get in there with a propane torch, you know, regular deal like that. Get it hot, use a hard piece of wire or a screwdriver. I also use let's see, I'll stick this screwdriver in. I have these little picks from Harbor Freight. I bent one of them into a U there, and you stick it in the hole, twist it around, pull stuff out. Heating it up really helps it soften up, helps you get in there, break it free. Once you do all that all the way around, you know, when you get everything opened up, you can stick the picks up, in, down through, straight back, get everything broken loose. I tried something new this year, which is why I'm especially dirty. The new idea this year was to use some compressed air. I'd start in the holes in the back, blow everything this way, get in the 3 holes there, keep blowing around, blow it all the way through, and then start over here, get these, blow the air through, kind of like that. That's just a little dust that's left. All the big stuff has blown its way out. It's worked really well. It makes a huge dust cloud, so you want to definitely wear a mask, maybe put some goggles on. When this whole chamber gets all filled up, if you kind of just pressurize the inside like that, it makes enough air circulation, and with the vent and the top open, a lot of the dust comes out pretty quick. I've blown it through probably about 8 times so far. I've been at it for maybe an hour. The other thing you want to do is make sure in the back here, your little elbows, this is the one that was on the top, that's the one that goes down here. This is the piece that goes straight through and has the little blowers that go down inside, the little holes for the, you know, blows the air down. This was halfway gummed up with stuff. I got in there with a long screwdriver, broke it all loose, pulled it out this way, and then so once I had that opened up, instead of blowing the air in and around through the channels inside, I would get in through those holes back there and blow in from each side, try to blow stuff out the back, and just over and over again, blowing through, and it's eventually cleared up everything in there. All the air channels are open. It's working good. So now I'm gonna, you know, put everything back. Like I said, it's all simple. Everything just overlaps and bolts on. But I wanted to share that with you. This piece down here is what I was talking about. I took that out. That's where that little piece of steel comes out with the holes that blow the air down. Took that out, cleaned all that stuff out real good. You know, now I just got to do my regular stuff, clean the chambers up for the chimney and the ash bed in the bottom. But if you have one of these, you probably know how to do that already, so I'm not here to tell you about that. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, if you could hit like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. That'd be awesome. I hope this helped you out. Like I said, A lot of us are probably in this position where we don't do what we're supposed to the rest of the time and then pay the price with cleaning. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.